Hey there, I'm Yankel, and today I'm going to show you exactly what to do with all those frozen wings piling up in your freezer. The answer is soup. Now, I love chicken wings for soup because it has the perfect meat to bone ratio, and they're pretty lean, so you don't get a lot of that fat that you need to skim off the top at the end. So for this chicken soup, we're gonna do two things. One is, because we're using an Instant Pot, we're gonna cook them from frozen. And two, I'm just using an assortment of root vegetables. I love root vegetables in soup because I think they add a really nice, rich, earthy sweetness. Now, if you're not using an Instant Pot, I definitely recommend defrosting the wings first so they don't sit at that uncomfortable temperature zone for too long. But in the Instant Pot, 30 minutes and our soup is ready. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our frozen wings into the pot. Right there in the bottom. And then I've got a really nice assortment. So we've got some turnip, we've got some rutabaga, some celeriac, a couple of rainbow carrots, and parsnips. To me, parsnips are the real key here. They really add so much beautiful flavor. And after that, all we have left to do is add some water and get it going. Now, if you're using the Instant Pot, you want to be careful about your levels. You can add as much water as you need until the maximum fill line and you're good to go. I'm gonna go refill my water carafe. We're going right up to the max fill line. And when I'm done with the soup, some of it is gonna get strained and go into the freezer. I can use that as a base for future soups, and the rest goes right into the fridge, and that's gonna be my dinner for at least a couple of nights. Just a little bit of salt right on top there. And the beautiful thing about the Instant Pot, besides the fact that it sings to you, is it has soup already programmed. So we're gonna hit soup and it's gonna do its thing, and I'll see you in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed. Let's vent some pressure and see what we've got. Stop doing that. Chicken soup sauna. Ah, that smells fantastic. Real good. Well, steam is all vented. We're gonna take a look. Oh yeah. It smells incredible. Really, really rich and flavorful. Nothing is gonna get you through cold and flu season like this chicken soup. So I'm just gonna pour a bowl. Now, if you want to, you can just leave the bones in there as part of the wings and basically eat wings while you eat soup. There's nothing wrong with that. If you do want to clean the meat off of the bones, what I do is I put it on a tray. I'll put all the wings on a tray. I'll let them cool down just a little bit. Usually use a slotted spoon or something. We'll just let them cool down, and eventually we'll just pull them apart, discard the bones, and we are good to go. Now, if you want even more flavorful soup, put it on slow cooker at this point and let it run another 10 hours or so, the rest of the day. And you're gonna get something that is absolutely magical. But as you can see, this broth is fairly clear, pretty delicate, incredible rich flavor. I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning. I don't like to season it too much at the beginning. I wanna let it cook naturally and then add salt at the end. So we're just gonna give that a quick taste. Oh, that is so good. Just a little bit of fat floating on the surface, and I think that is part of the beauty of a good chicken soup. You need a little bit of that creaminess to finish it. So there you have a great way to use up all those frozen wings in your freezer. Throw them in your Instant Pot or put them in the fridge overnight so they defrost a little bit, and then put them right into the crock pot and let them go. Add your favorite root vegetables and you have something incredible. You can use it over and over, freeze the leftovers. I'm Yankel, see you next time.